Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to reset your Klarna password. Alright, if you've been wondering how to reset your Klarna password, and then this video is definitely for you, and it's gonna help you out of that situation. So it's gonna be a quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to go to Klarna's website. You can go there and log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on Forgot Password. Now, from there, you're going to need to enter your email address. And once that's entered, just follow the password reset instructions and create a new password. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reset your Klarna password. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.